introduce yourself?
I'm Joy Dizon, then I'm Legal Secretary of Attorney Andy Rivero.
Could you kindly provide an overview of your professional background as a legal secretary?
Graduate ako ng BS Computer Science, then previous work ko is sa Uniqlo, cashier manager, and then after 4 years, nag-work ako sa hospital as PhilHealth staff.
What specific tasks and responsibilities did you handle in your previous roles? Can you describe your experience working as a legal secretary?
Now, current experience ko as a legal secretary.
How do legal secretaries typically prioritize their tasks and manage their time effectively?
Time management. Dapat yung schedule, ayusin mo para maayos mo yung dapat mong gawin.
Can you provide an example of a challenging situation you encountered as a legal secretary and how you handled it?
Client na masungit. Usually, ganyan sa mga nagpapagawa ng mga documents. So, kailangan mo siyang i-handle. So, kahit super sungit na ni client, kailangan mo mag-smile or huwag kang magpakita na lightness agad sa kanila.
As a legal secretary, what are the strategies you use to ensure everything runs smoothly?
Time management, organize mo yung mga documents, record, and then yung schedule, dapat kailangang matugma mo siya ng maayos. Manote mo.
How do you handle confidential information and maintain client confidentiality in your work as a legal secretary?
So, dapat hindi mo siya pwede i-disclose sa ibang client between you and client na or si attorney. Kasi in case na i-disclose mo yun sa ibang tao, syempre mayayari ka kasi nga, puro mga legal documents yun, kung cases siya, dapat hindi mo talaga siya pwede i-disclose sa ibang tao.
What are the primary tasks and responsibilities that a legal secretary handles on a daily basis?
So, check mo yung document. So, usually, nag-notarize ka, nag-check ka kung may hearing si attorney, and then, gumagawa ka ng mga paperworks niya, tapos sa mga client na nagpapagawa ng paperworks.
Can you provide an example of particularly complex trial preparation process you've been involved in and how you manage it?
Kapag complaint, like cases, nag-interview kami kay client na mga na-witness nila sa pangyayari na kung kakasuhan nila yung isang tao, kung cases siya. So, tatanungin mo si client ng mga na-witness niya dun sa kaso na yun, na isang tao.
How do you assist authorities with the post-trial tasks such as filing motions, appeals, or settlements?
Siyempre, yung filing sa court, tapos mag-research ka, sorting, and attachment ng annex sa documents. Annex 6.
What educational path or qualifications would you recommend for aspiring legal secretaries?
Political science. Diba usually dapat yung course mo at least may background siya ng political science or mga basta may touch siya sa law yung courses mo. Pero pwede namang hindi. Depende naman kung paano mo ma-adapt yung as a legal secretary yung mga ginagawa. At least marunong ka magbasa, umintindi, gumawa ng paperwork, gano'n.
Sources or avenues would you suggest for students to explore further if they are interested in pursuing a career as a legal secretary?
Siguro, kailangan talaga nag-take sila ng, ang tawag dito, course nila is political science. Kasi mas may, yung background ng political science talaga, pag pumasok ka sa legal secretary, mas mapapadali yung work kasi cases nga. So, syempre may mga background sila, nag-OJT sila, like sa mga siguro MPC, RTC. So, nag-aaral pa lang, may experience na kumbaga bago ka pumasok sa legal secretary. Kumbaga, hindi ka na mabibigla yung utak mo, yung sarili mo na, ganito pala, yung word na ganito, ganyan. At least, may idea ka na. Kumbaga, kahit sa pag-filing ng mga documents, at least may idea ka na.
So, ano po, follow-up question po. Sa tingin mo po, since kami po mga BSOA student, so may possibility po ba na um, magkaroon din po kami ng trabaho or magkaroon din po kami ng trabaho gaya ng magiging legal secretary?
Yes, kasi ako, tinapusan ko computer science. So, di ba, malaking gap siya kasi law. So, at least, kahit hindi law, kahit kaparehas mong course, pwede siya. Kasi nga, as long as marunong ka umintindi ng mga kailangan gawin, sabihin, or sabihin, matututunan naman siya. Natututunan naman yung bawat, trabaho, kung na rin yung legal, natututunan naman siya na pag-aaralan, kumbaga.